Hello guys, I'm Martin Unix here, and today's tutorial is going to be focused on precise parting in preparation for Locs extension. I shall be talking more about the two basic techniques that I will be applying, that is the interlocking and the crocheting techniques and their importance on the same. I started by creating a clean symmetrical center part. This part serves as the backbone of the overall sectioning, ensuring that the locs will fall evenly on both sides. The precise center part is essential as it keeps the locs well balanced, making them easier to manage and style as they mature. Now, instead of dividing the hair into quadrants, I parted horizontal sections starting from the nape and worked my way up to the crown. This technique allows for better control of the overall layout of the locs and ensures that the sections remain clean and organized throughout the process. Within each horizontal section, I created small, evenly sized box parts, focusing on precision and uniformity. Consistent section sizes are key to achieving symmetry throughout the loc installation. Each box part must match the others in size and shape to ensure the locs will be uniform in thickness and placement, contributing to a neat and structured appearance. The precision of these small box parts ensures that the locs are well balanced with equal space and size. This uniformity helps prevent overcrowding in certain areas and ensures an even distribution of locs, which is important for both overall aesthetic and for managing the weight of the locs and extensions over time. As I moved up towards the crown, I continued parting horizontally, maintaining the same size and precision with each new row. This consistency helps ensure that the locs will look flawless as they grow out, with no awkward gaps and irregularities. Next, I am sectioning the remaining part into horizontal portion. I will carefully part this new row and create small box sections, ensuring they match perfectly with the previous parts. This matching is essential to maintain uniformity and flow throughout the entire head. By aligning each box with previous row, I ensure that the locs will sit evenly and look symmetrical once installed. To prepare a section of interlocking, use a wide-toothed comb to gently comb out the parted hair. This method leaves some light tangles intact, aiding in the matting process essential for strong loc formation. By removing excessive tangles, the hair becomes easier to work with, minimizing breakage and allowing for smooth, uniform interlocking with consistent texture. Once the sections are ready, I begin creating loc strands using the four-way interlocking method. This technique involves pulling the hair through the bands in 4 different directions, creating a steady and durable foundation for the locs. As I work, I use my fingers to guide the hair, collecting fraying strands and flyaways along the way. This helps minimize loose hairs while speeding up the process. Using your fingers allows for better control of the hair and ensures a secure loc base. To our very humble beginners, consider visiting this channel for more detailed tutorials about interlocks and crocheting. And for a deeper dive, you can choose to join my virtual classes where we dive deep into dreadlocks mastery and styling artistry. As I near the roots, I incorporate a crochet latch as it's more precise and can reach areas where the fingers can't. For those who want to join the virtual classes, liaise with the information provided on the description. Once the interlocking is complete, I move on to refining the strand with the crochet method. I use a small crochet hook to pull in any frizzy or loose hairs, ensuring that the lock is smooth and well structured. Afterward, I palm roll the lock to blend everything together and give it that seamless, natural look. Palm rolling helps set the lock, blending the refined strand for a perfect finish. I leave the tip of the lock loose to allow for easy attachment of extensions later. This creates a seamless connection between the natural hair and the lock extension, ensuring the finished look is flawless and secure. Here's the flawless outcome of the lock strand. The combination of process sectioning, faux interlocking, and crocheting creates a strong, smooth, and natural looking lock with a loose tip ready for attachment. Now I am cutting another small box in horizontal section. Now after parting the portion, I need to make sure that our portion can be able to accommodate seamless interlocks that can result to flawless section. By doing so, I will use my wide toothed comb to comb out the stubborn knots. This time I am using crochet latch for the entire interlocking process, that is. Using a tool instead of my fingers offers a more precision, but it can take a little more time and may result in more flyaways compared to the finger method. While the crochet latch provides tight control during the interlocking, it tends to bring up more loose hairs and flyaways than when using my fingers. So the tool is great for ensuring precision, especially in tight areas near the root, but it requires a bit more time and attention to manage the loose strands. Once the interlocking is done, I use the crochet method again to refine the lock, pulling in any remaining flyaways. This step smooths out the strand, ensuring a clean and polished finish. Afterwards, I palm roll the lock to blend everything together for that natural look. The outcome is amazing. A smooth, even lock that looks natural and is ready for extensions. When preparing for lock extensions, it's important to consider factors like hair texture and techniques best suited to your client's needs. For a coarser, thicker hair, interlocking and crocheting methods offer great stability and long-lasting results. Fine or softer hair may require more precision to ensure the locks are secure without causing too much tension on the scalp. The beauty of combining interlocking and crocheting techniques is that it allows you to adapt to different hair types while still creating a strong and polished result. As trends in lock styling continue to evolve, more clients are seeking methods that not only offers versatility but also a sleek, refined look. By mastering techniques like interlocking and crocheting, you can create custom locks that meet those modern demands, while ensuring that they stay neat and intact over time. You can see how both methods have their strength, but the choice depends on the level of precision and control you need. Here's the final outcome after using both techniques. Each lock is neat, refined, and strong, with loose tips ready for extensions. Both the finger and crochet latch methods can be used to create beautiful, lasting locks, and it's all about finding the balance between speed, control, and precision. Whether you are a stylist or someone looking to start your lock journey, understanding the right techniques and tools for your hair type will ensure flawless results every time. Take into account the sectioning methods that suit your hair, the balance between precision and time, and the care needed to maintain the locks. I hope and trust that you found this tutorial helpful. For more detailed guidance, join my virtual Dreadlocks class, where I provide in-depth training and advanced lock techniques, from sectioning and interlocking to crocheting and aftercare. It's the perfect space to refine your skills or start your journey in lock styling. I hope the tutorial was very informative. Consider sharing to your friends, like more, comment, and stay locked for more tutorials.